Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jacksonville Joe here. We holding it down. Hope everybody's having a good night. Let me know what's up with y'all in the comments. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, tap the bell, all that, man. We hanging out. Alright, man, so we got Brodnax Pocket Watch. Shout out to Selena Kyle for the request. We're going to see what's up with it, man. Let's go. Okay, already got fire in the video. Shit, I'm a fan.
I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. Came out the jungle, everybody spit off. They must know I can win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. Came out the jungle.
Bruh, if I started, I'ma end it. Hey, bruh, so y'all thought I was finished? If I started, I'ma end it, bruh. Hey, that's what's up, man.
Everybody spit off, they must thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. Came out the jungle, everybody spit off, they must know I can and I can head off. I ain't never let off, bet all your money on me if you trying to get the cheddar. Ain't no good, best better, still the best hitter. Grown man shit, why you with the babysitter? Want something, homie, come get us. Break a bitch out when I run it up.
Still the best hitter, grown man shit while you with the babysitter? Hey, come on, man. That shit was
the middle. Grown man shit, why you with the babysitter? Want something, homie, come get us. Break a bitch out when I run it up the middle. Just like Brodnax and your broke ass got no.
Woo! Hey, man, I didn't know which football player you was going with that. I knew it was turning in. I knew you was running to the end zone, though. Bo Jackson, boy. Damn. Bo knows, bro. Hey, if you know, you know.
No fashion, that slow rapping, got no passion. Running that Ronnie sucker with no practice, no acting, no capping like Rick James. Still slapping that dude bang like 2 Chainz. You don't do shit, we do thing, do thing. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, square body, take 2 lanes. I'm everywhere. Food chain, grind, drip, drip, stain.
Square body, take 2 lanes. I'm everywhere. Food chain. Hey, man. Circle of life on the food chain is everywhere. Hey. Old school square body. Hey, come on, man.
Inside the roof, what it do, man? Show love, you get love. You cause problems, mood change. Shoot game on Soldier Slim. Jump, jump.
Facts, bro. You show love, you get love. You cause problems, mood change. You gonna catch that work.
Jumping out love, you cause problems, mood change. Shoot game on Soldier Slim. Jump, jump, jumping out the gym. Told them boys not to play with them. Looking for the one bitch, I am him. Cook the beef, slice it thin, clean my plate.
Hey, told them boys not to play with him. You looking for that one? Hey, I am him. What's up? Hey.
Take a shit, then where you been at? The beef, slice it thin, clean my plate, then take a shit, then where you been at? Raising my little kids, yeah. They grow up and tell their friends that my daddy done did that. I'm on with a big.
They grow up and tell their friends, hey, my daddy done did that, boy. Hey, he did that.
Make a hater big man. Boy, you just belong to that. Come home with a big bag. Make a hater big man. Boy, you just belong to trying to act like you a big man. Long cut when the green coat and
Bruh said, come home with the big bag, make a hater big mad. Boy, you just baloney trying to act like you a Big Mac. Hey.
making for when I speed raps. We making it cool. Hey, long cut when the green Copenhagen for when I speed raps. We making it cooler, big country and them is big. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all about to get it. Back thought I was finished. If I started, I'ma win it. I say, hold up. Western Road, Monroe, Louisiana native.
Winding that bitch up. Now, what's up? Come on, come get it.
Westman Road, Bobby Briscoe on the beat, bitch.
Make sure ain't nothing else happening on there. Hey man, that was some fire from Brodnax Pocket Watch. I hope I'm saying that name right, man. I done said it 2-3 times, man. I don't want this dude showing up at my door. I know he be rocking with Adam Calhoun and shit. You know how Adam be rocking, so I don't think they that petty. My bad, dog. My bad. Hey, but you gotta step that beard game up, G. I'm trying to catch up to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get there one day. I'm gonna get there. I ain't hating on y'all. I ain't hating on y'all. Just have faith in you, boy. That's all I'm saying. Nah, for real though. Hey man, that was Brodnax Pocket Watch. That shit was straight gas. Fuck with y'all on the next one, man. Hope everybody has a good day. Shout out to Selena Kyle for the request. Let's go.